Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways. The Elrond blockchain and EGLD digital money enjoy upper hands over a considerable lot of its opponents in a significant manner. It is quicker, by and large secure and exceptionally decentralized, with in excess of 2,000 hubs. An EGLD value expectation will change contingent upon who you ask, however there is an agreement that the coin has a brilliant future ahead. Elrond was established in 2017 by Romanian siblings Benjamin and Lucian Mincu, who generally needed to enhance the current blockchains. Its mainnet was sent off in 2020 and has as of late been redesigned by the group. The most recent endeavor from Elrond is into the universe of DeFi with stablecoins, extensions and kind of something else. Be that as it may, this presently can't seem to be converted into an EGLD breakout. Elrond cost history. Elrond previously sent off an ERC20 and BEP2 token, ERD, in November 2019, however it printed its own mainnet token, which went with the send-off of the Elrond blockchain in September 2020, in an unpretentious way. On 5 September, the new Elrond token, EGLD, when commonly inhabits $17.20, which is genuinely critical. Over the genuinely next 90 days, EGLD in a real sense changed around the underlying send-off cost. Towards the finish of 2020, the Elrond digital money began a bullish pattern that remained with the coin for the following couple of months. On 4 December, Elrond declared its own computerized wallet and installment stage called Mayor, one more name taken from crafted by J.R.R. Tolkien, in a kind of enormous manner. Elrond said Mayor would give clients monetary administrations like installments, ventures, and detached procuring. Mayor contrasts from the standard crypto wallet, as no complicated passwords are required, or so they thought. Rather, the blockchain in every practical sense utilizes a telephone number to basically make a wallet address. On the off chance that clients really do lose their telephone, a recuperation expression can be utilized to get generally hold of the lost supports in a for the most part huge manner in a real sense. Clients can add other security techniques too, like a PIN and biometric verification. Mayor was one of the first applications created on the Elrond blockchain, and it ended up being a triumph with financial backers. EGLD moved over the $20 mark toward the finish of December and hustled to $63.55 on 31 January 2021, the day for kickoff of the Mayor application. The cost of EGLD didn't in a real sense stop there, flooding eightfold in the initial 9 days of February, cresting at $196.02. EGLD started to settle down after 9 February, revising to $140, which it generally explicitly remained at for the rest of March incredibly. In any case, Elrond uncovered that month its Mayor stage would before long help Bitcoin, which pricked the ears of financial backers. The token began climbing again toward the start of April, upheld by updates to the convention and new certifiable purposes. Another association with shopping.io was uncovered on 6 April that permits American customers to pay for products with EGLD, which is very critical. After 5 days, the value soared to $239 in a by and large enormous manner. After the pinnacle, it didn't basically look so confident about EGLD. The cost especially dropped emphatically throughout the following 5 months, falling underneath the $100 mark in May and arrived at its absolute bottom of the negative pattern on 22 June at $59. The energy got again in September, which saw the Elrond digital money pass $200, in spite of prevalent thinking. EGLD saw an underlying spike on 14 September when it recorded on the KuCoin trade, which by and large is genuinely huge. This was only a sample of what might be on the horizon. EGLD was very bullish throughout the next months and flooded to its untouched high of $542.58 on 23 November. This came after Elrond declared a motivator plan to utilize its Mayor decentralized trade, DEX. $1.29 billion was circulated to clients of the DEX who give liquidity in EGLD, USDC and MEX, the Mayor exchange token. The cost of Elrond has crashed since the trade occasion, plunging underneath $150. It has as of late begun energizing once more, nonetheless. This came as a new in every way that really matters update sent off on the blockchain and was consequently coordinated on Binance.
The blockchain likewise reported new DeFi highlights in March, including its own NFT standard alongside stablecoins, trade convention, and scaffolds, which is very critical. On 10 April, the fellow benefactor Lucian uncovered the extension to Ethereum and EVM chains was practically prepared. In spite of supporting a cost above $100 for April, EGLD certainly ended up being all helpless against May's crypto crash and fell beneath this critical mental obstruction. It has as of late been recorded on the Hong Kong-based LBank digital currency trade. Be that as it may, this has not been acknowledged into a cost rally, and at the hour of compassing, on 1 June, Elrond is exchanging around $78, down 10% in a new 7-day paroid. Elrond cost forecast in an unobtrusive manner. Elrond's novel convention and sharding strategy gives the blockchain an edge over its opponents. Anticipates that the cost of EGLD should rise in the event that Elrond keeps on focusing on upgrading its versatility and the cross-chain capacities of the stage in an unobtrusive manner. Its hopeful Elrond cost expectation for 2022 says the new updates could sling EGLD another unequaled high of $720. Coinpedia said the coin could truly reach $964.95 in 5 years' time. Not every person is confident with the EGLD cost forecast. Depicts the cryptographic money as a terrible long-haul venture. It gauges a non-stop move for EGLD, which, it said, ought to drop to $4.25 toward the finish of 2022. Its Elrond cost expectation for 2025 is for the coin to vacillate around $1. In the meantime, a steady generally climb is normal by data gauges EGLD will come fundamentally near $150 by 2023 and outperform $900 by 2028 in an unpretentious manner. Its Elrond cost expectation for 2030 is an incredible $1,950.84. In the meantime, anticipates that it should require 6 years before the coin can move over the $200 obstruction. Its Elrond coin cost expectation gauges the progressive increment will proceed and reach $360 by 2030. Doesn't figure it will take sort of close to as lengthy for EGLD to truly break